Hey everyone, Mike Seckman, Keller Williams. I'm up in Pine Grove today. Wanted to do a quick update on the progress of construction and kind of show you what's been going on here the past couple weeks. So let me get you flipped around. Oh, you have to see the view. Isn't that gorgeous? All right. So we're at this is 8 Hillside Vista Drive, Pine Grove. This is a ranch model. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that this is similar to the model that we have up there, which is 6 Hillside, ready for occupancy. But I'll take you through this and kind of give you an update. So I think the last time I did a video, this property just was getting the roof and the walls were framed out, and now we have drywall. So what you're looking at here is a combination of the living space. This is something that is new to this model. We've added a dormer to add some extra light, which is great. Great view out front windows. And then you'll see over here, this is the kitchen area. All this recessed lighting. It's going to be great once this is all finished out. It'll be nice and bright in here. So moving over here, we have, let me back up. This is a 3-bedroom home, ranch model home, 1632 square feet. This here you're looking at is the guest bathroom, full bath. This here is bedroom number 1 with closet. Great view out front as well. We have bedroom 2. This will be your back porch area. Don't worry, that big pile of dirt needs to be leveled out. It was just all the topsoil that they dug out from construction. But there will be a patio out here. And then you have your mud/laundry room. So you'll have a pantry cabinet right here. We'll have a slop sink, and then your washer dryer hookup will be right there in the corner. And you probably heard me mention this before. One thing I really like about this model home is how big this garage is. This is a 2-car garage, but this is, I believe, 28 or 30 feet deep. It's remarkable in depth. It really is, to have a garage with this much extra space for your storage or woodworking, workshop type space. We'll head over here to the primary bedroom wing of the house. So this is the primary bedroom. Great view again. This is your primary bathroom. Gonna have a double vanity there, toilet there. You have your walk-in shower here. Big pantry closet, linen closet. And then you have your big walk-in closet here that will have shelving in it. And then lastly, let's pop down to the basement. Ooh, might be tricky getting down here, but we'll make it work. Bear with me while I move some things. This is the basement. This could be made into, well, once they get some more fill, it may be a little bit higher, but you have a potential here of maybe making this a walkout basement. But this is your egress window here. And then this is your basement. So nice big basement, high ceilings, super easy to finish off, nice and insulated here. All right, and then what we will do is we're gonna head upstairs and we're gonna swing over to 10 Hillside Vista. Now, 10 Hillside Vista is the one right next door. 10 Hillside Vista, believe it or not, is actually a two-story home. However, it doesn't look like a two-story home from the street. So let me walk out here, get you a better view of both homes. All right, so this is 10 Hillside Vista, and this is 8 Hillside Vista. And then up there on the other side of the dumpster is 6 Hillside Vista. This one isn't as far along as the ranch model, but we'll take a look. So 2-car garage. Walks right into mudroom area. If your washer dryer hookup right here, it's going to be hard to visualize. You have your powder room and coat closet, linen closet here. Now, what I like about this house, a couple things, but this is your primary bedroom here. So I believe this is 16 by 12. You have a walk-in closet right there. Nice big primary bathroom right here. Again, bear with me because it's going to be hard to understand this till the drywall's up. So this is the kitchen. And this is the great room. Vaulted ceilings. You have a wraparound banister loft area up there that overlooks both the dining area that I was just standing in, as well as great room. We head upstairs. Here's that loft platform I was telling you about. So you have a nice view of the great room, dining area, parts of the kitchen. Now on our right, this is bathroom, guest bath. This is second floor bedroom number 1 with a huge walk-in closet. So you have, in essence, almost 2 primary masters. And then you have bedroom number 2 right here. And this will have a walk-in closet as well. Lots of windows. And again, I just love this open space here. And double windows there. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you have any questions about anything in Pine Grove, please don't hesitate to reach out. We have multiple lots available here that we can get you another home package if one of these doesn't work for you. We can build almost any home that you like. So if you look right here, you'll see where the excavator is, and then down towards where the portable toilet is. The lots across the street, there's about 5 lots right here that are all available. And there's also a couple other lots in the neighborhood, up where that excavator is as well, and some additional lots down here and back there. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'd be happy to talk to you about what kind of lots we have available, what kind of home packages that we can do for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.